In this video, I am going to teach you how you can build an automatic solar charger, which not only charges your battery from the sun's energy, it also acts as a day-night sensor which turns on and off the load automatically. These types of projects are generally used in automatic solar street lights, and it is 100% green energy. So let's see how we can build this and learn how the circuit works. First of all, the energy from the solar panel goes into a controller, which determines whether it's daytime or nighttime. If it's daytime, the controller passes the energy from the solar panel into a voltage regulator. The voltage regulator then regulates the voltage from the solar panel, making it safe to charge the battery. If the controller senses that it's nighttime, the energy from the battery is transferred to power the load. First, let's try to make the main controller. For this, you will need some resistors, 2 N-channel MOSFETs, and a diode. But before we build this circuit, it's important to know how it works. Let's look at the case where there is no output from the solar panel. The current from the battery gets divided into two parts, where one goes through the resistor into the gate of the MOSFET, which turns on the transistor, and the negative output gets the connection to the ground. Which means now we have direct output from the battery to power the load. But in the second case where we are getting output from the solar panel, the current goes through the resistor into the gate of this MOSFET, turning it on. Which means positive voltage comes from the battery and negative from the ground. Hence we have zero value at this point, which turns off the MOSFET. This causes the negative side of the output to not get the ground reference. So we don't have any output. But since the current is flowing into the battery directly from the solar panel, the battery keeps charging. Now let's build the circuit. I built the circuit, but we can't use it yet. The unstable and improper voltage from the solar panel may be harmful to our battery. So for that we need to make a voltage regulator. This is a simple circuit of our regulator. It uses LM317 3-pin IC as a regulator, whose voltage can be tuned using a potentiometer. This is how our simple voltage regulator circuit looks. And for the final, this is the total schematics of my automatic solar charger. By putting all the essentials together, our project is completed. In the daytime, the battery starts charging from the solar panel. But as soon as it gets dark outside, the battery starts powering the load. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.